Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on a